Ever wondered what really goes on inside an immigration law firm? It's not all dramatic courtroom scenes like you see in the movies. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the real day-to-day life of our team and the incredible work they do. Let's dive in. Our day starts early, usually around 8 a.m. The first thing we do is a team huddle. We grab our coffees and gather to discuss the most urgent cases for the day. This could be anything from a fast-approaching visa interview to a last-minute request for evidence from immigration services. Communication is key. Everyone needs to be on the same page because our clients' futures are on the line, and deadlines in immigration are absolute. Missing one could have serious consequences. After the huddle, the office becomes a hive of activity. Our paralegals are the backbone of the firm. You'll see them buried in paperwork. They are meticulously preparing applications, organizing supporting documents, and double-checking every single detail. A simple typo on a form can cause months of delays, so their attention to detail is truly heroic. They're compiling birth certificates, financial statements, letters of support, and translating documents. It's a complex puzzle, and they are the masters at putting all the pieces together perfectly. Meanwhile, our attorneys are deep in legal research and strategy. Immigration law is constantly changing. New policies, new court rulings, it's a full-time job just to stay updated. They might be drafting a legal brief for a complex appeal, preparing a client for a tough asylum interview, or strategizing the best visa pathway for a family wanting to reunite. A lot of their time is spent on the phone, talking to government agencies, other lawyers, and of course, our clients. Let's talk about our clients. They are the heart of everything we do. We represent people from all over the world, each with a unique story. We might meet with a tech entrepreneur from India applying for a specialty occupation visa, a young couple from Brazil navigating the fiancé visa process, or a family from Ukraine seeking safety and a new beginning. Hearing their stories is both humbling and motivating. It reminds us why we do this work. These client meetings are crucial. We listen, we ask questions, and we offer guidance. It's not just about filling out forms, it's about understanding their hopes, their fears, and their dreams. Building that trust is essential. Many clients are understandably anxious about the process. A big part of our job is to provide not just legal advice, but also reassurance and a clear, honest picture of the road ahead. We explain timelines, potential challenges, and what they can expect at each stage. We believe an informed client is an empowered client. The middle of the day is often a whirlwind of activity. Phones are ringing off the hook. The mail arrives, bringing decisions from USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. This is always a tense moment. Opening those envelopes can bring incredible joy or deep disappointment. An approval notice means we get to make one of the best phone calls imaginable, telling a client their dream is one step closer. When we get a denial or a request for more evidence, we immediately switch into problem-solving mode. What went wrong? What's our next move? How do we fix this? It's all about resilience and strategy. We also spend a lot of time preparing clients for their interviews, whether it's a marriage green card interview or an asylum hearing. These are high-stakes moments. We run mock interviews, going over potential questions and helping them practice their answers. We want them to walk into that room feeling confident and prepared, not scared and uncertain. We'll review their entire application with them one more time, making sure their story is consistent and well documented. It's like studying for the most important exam of your life, and we're the tutors making sure you're ready to ace it. One of the less glamorous but incredibly important parts of the job is administrative work. Our support staff are the unsung heroes. They manage the calendars, schedule appointments, handle billing, and make sure every single document is filed correctly, both physically and digitally. In immigration law, record keeping is non-negotiable. We have to maintain perfect records for years. A single missing document could jeopardize a case down the road. Our admin team ensures the entire operation runs smoothly, allowing the legal team to focus on the law. As the afternoon winds down, it's often a time for reflection and planning for the next day. Attorneys might be on calls with clients who are in different time zones or writing follow-up emails. The paralegals are making sure all outgoing mail is sent before the deadline and that all files are updated with the day's progress. It's a constant cycle of action, follow-up, and preparation. But it's not all stress and paperwork. There are moments of pure celebration. When a green card arrives in the mail or a client calls to say they passed their citizenship test, the entire office celebrates. We share these victories because we know the long journey it took to get there. We've seen the struggles, the waiting, and the anxiety. Seeing a family finally reunited or an individual achieve their dream of becoming a U.S. citizen is the ultimate reward. These are the moments that fuel our passion and remind us of the profound human impact of our work. Sometimes, we get to attend the naturalization ceremonies with our clients. Watching them take the oath of allegiance is an incredibly emotional and proud moment for everyone. They've worked so hard, and we've been privileged to be a part of their journey. It's the beautiful culmination of years of effort. We've received thank you cards, homemade food, and even invitations to weddings from former clients who have become like family. These connections are what make this job so much more than just a profession. So, that's a glimpse into our world. It's a challenging, fast-paced, and deeply rewarding environment. It's a mix of legal expertise, meticulous organization, and genuine human connection. Every day brings new challenges and new opportunities to make a life-changing difference. It's an honor to do this work, and I'm so grateful for the dedicated team that makes it all possible. Thanks so much for spending this time with me today and getting to know our firm a little better. If you found this interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments what other aspects of immigration law you'd like to see. See you in the next video.